Okay, good morning everyone. This is Guider Alan Ramos or also known as Guider. Okay, so pag-aralan po natin yung dashboard, aralin po natin siya. Now, it shows here, dashboard. So, first thing to do is go to your account. So, search nyo na po yung account nyo. Okay, using this website or this, what is this? URL. So, https://daguniversity.com. And then, nandito na po tayo sa dashboard natin. This is my one account, first account. Okay, Guider03. Now, this is our dashboard. Then, makikita nyo po rito kung ano yung package na binili nyo. For me, this package is starter, which is $100 package. So, makikita nyo po here, either basic, okay, starter, okay, or explorer or expert po kung ano po yung binili nyong package. And you can see here, qualified na po ako for volume bonus because I have a direct already sa Group A and Group B. Okay, it means na dapat meron po kayong direct referrals sa Group A nyo and one thing more is doon sa Group B para maging qualified po kayo doon sa volume bonus or we call that pairing bonus or matching bonus, di ba? And then leadership bonus which is not qualified. I'm not yet qualified kasi hindi ko pa po na-upgrade yung account ko into $2,500 package or expert. So kailangan po kasi i-upgrade natin yung package natin into expert or $2,500 package para ma-benefit po natin yung leadership bonus na 5%. Okay, 5% ng mga direct ninyo, ng earnings ng mga direct ninyo. Okay? And then, not verified pa rin yung verification ko. So, you need to provide IDs and billing statement para po ma-verified yung account natin para at least po yung mga earnings po natin here sa Dagcoin is pwede na po natin ma-withdraw or ma-cash out using our banks, okay, our Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so yung po yung mga para ma-verified po natin yung account natin, para verify dito, para ma-cash out po natin yung earnings natin. But there are so many ways, even though na hindi ka pa naman verified, there are so many ways para ma-cash out po natin yung ating earnings or cash account balance. So mamaya pag-usapan po natin yan. Now, here is the activation code. Okay, if you want na i-upgrade yung account nyo from starter to expert or explorer or anything that you want the package, you have to buy activation code and then you need to click upgrade para ma-upgrade po yung previous account nyo into the preferred account or high level package po. Alright? Then, after that, click lang natin itong team building. Okay, makikita naman natin here. Ito na po yung structure natin. Okay, this is the referral link. Assuming na gusto nyo pong i-share yung link nyo at gusto meron pong kayong invites or you want to invite, so you have to copy this referral link. Okay, and then after nun, go to the social media what you want. So punta po kayo dun sa wall nyo. For example here. Okay, for example here, ito yung kunyari ito yung yung Facebook account nyo. And you have to paste there, Control V as in victory. Mas maganda po, okay, yan na po yung referral link nyo para makita po ng tao. Okay, mas maganda po yan para at least kumakalat po yung ating yung DAG University natin. And then mas maganda po yan, you have to add some videos or photo para mas maganda po yan, para mas maganda pong tignan. Okay? Para mas po, okay? Okay, so pwede nyo pong okay? Kahit anong picture po na meron po tayo sa Dagcoin, okay, that's it. Para mas maganda po. And then, do some caption. Okay, siguro, lagyan nyo po ng caption. Okay, so, maring mga ganyang caption. Okay, so mga ganyan po. Then after post po natin. After posting, syempre, nasa wall nyo na po. That means na pwede po, lagay nyo rin po dito. Pwede nyo po ilagay na sign up here. Okay, so lagay na yung ginagawa ng mga kasama natin. Okay, so yan, sign up here. Okay, and then ipopost natin yan. Then makikita nila yung yung links or pwede mo pong i-PM dun sa mga kaibigan mo na gusto sumali, your link para sa inyo po sila magsa-sign up sa link po ninyo, sa referral link nyo. Okay? And then this is the referral placement. Napaka-importante po nitong referral placement kasi kung i-click nyo yung alternatively, okay, kumbaga, yung una pong invite nyo na magsa-sign up, pupunta sa right, and then the next is left, right, left po yan. Now, if we're going to choose left naman, so lahat po ng ma-invite nyo or lahat ng magsa-sign up po dun sa link niyo, either dun sa shinare nyo, sa walls nyo, or sinend nyo po through personal message, mapupunta po sa left. Okay, if you click the left team referral placement. On the right naman, so lahat mapupunta sa right. So the importance of this, ang nakikita ko importance po nitong referral placement is that assuming po na itong right leg niyo, itong group A or right leg, okay, punong-puno na po yan ng mga leaders and marami na po nag-i-invites here. So kusa na po siyang lumalakad or kusa na siyang dumadami po rito. You have to click left, okay? This is right, correct? This is right team. You have to click left para dito na po magkarga yung system. Either na kahit tulog po kayo at meron pong nag-sign up doon sa mga link ninyo, okay, mapupunta na po doon sa left. Para kunyari, kumbaga malakas na tong right ninyo, and then you click left para lahat po dito po magsa-sign up. Okay, system na po mag-uutos nun. Okay? And then here, the username. Kung meron po kayong hinahanap na downline nyo, you can click here and then i-type nyo lang po yung username niya para at least makita nyo po na nandun po sila. Okay? Then, click genealogy. Okay, this genealogy. Okay, ito naman po yung mga makikita nyo mga frozen. Okay, yung mga active tsaka mga frozen. Leadership bonus, since na wala pa tayong hindi pa natin na-upgrade yung account natin, so wala pa po dito yan. Okay? Then, team members. Itong team members, these are all your downlines. Either direct man or mga spillover po to. Ibig sabihin, invite na rin po ito na ating mga kasamahan, mga kakampi sa Dogcoin. And your direct referral bonus. Now, sa personal members naman, makikita mo po sa personal members is yung mga direct referral mo lang po. Yung mga in-invite mo at nag-sign up po doon sa link po ninyo. Your own personal link kung saan po sila nag-sign up. Okay? And then, comes to my accounts. Etong my accounts naman, dito po makikita nyo yung account balance nyo na pwede nyo pong withdrawhan. As of now, 0 po siya kasi na-withdraw ko na po yung $300 on my first week, and now this is my first week, so later, siguro mga after 2 hours, magre-reflect na po here yung second week na earnings ko po. Okay? And, paano naman yung withdrawal? Paano maka-withdraw yung cash account? There are so many ways. Okay? Unang-una, going to your banks or Bitcoin wallet address. But, yung dapat yung account po ninyo should be verified. Okay? Should be verified. Okay? That's why you have to provide IDs and billing statement na may address po yun para ma-verify po yung account niyo. Okay? So, you can send to the support kung ano yung IDs nyo at saka IDs and billing statement. Another thing, from banks and then Bitcoin wallet, another thing, you can transfer your cash account balance to your friend or yung mga may pera nating kaibigan dito. Okay, mga kaibigan natin dyan na may pera, okay? Para ma-transfer yung, kunyari may $180 ka rito. And then you're going to transfer $80 dun sa username ng kaibigan mo. And then ibibigay na lang sa'yo yung cash. Okay? So yun po yung isang way. Okay? And then using Perfect Money, Bitcoin, tsaka Advanced Cash. Okay? So, okay, yan po. Okay, yun po yung cash account. Okay, pwede rin po yan. Using your cash account balance, magge-generate po kayo ng codes para kung meron mga sasali sa atin at kailangan ng codes. Okay? So, pwede pong i-generate yung codes yung account balance mo by just buying ng package dito. Okay, buy tayo ng package. Okay, assuming sa my accounts mo is meron kang $100 here. Okay? Then, paano mo magka-cash out yung pera mo? Mag-generate ka ng codes, pupunta ka sa product package, and then you select kung ano yung prefer ng invite mo or mga kakampi natin. Then, you select one, kasi may $100 ka lang doon. Okay? And then, click mo yung one. Then, after that, kasi meron kang $100 doon sa mo, di ba? Sa cash account mo. And then you click purchase package. Then after that, how many seconds, punta ka po sa purchase history, nandito na po yung codes mo. Okay, yan po, magre-reflect yung code mo dito. I-share mo na po doon sa kaibigan mo or nangangailangan ng code para i-upgrade or activate yung mga account nila. Okay, take note, reminders lang. Wag po ko kayo magbibigay ng codes unless na nakita nyo na po na nakapagbayad na siya sa accounts niyo or through remittances or kaliwaan. Okay? So, balik po tayo sa my accounts. Okay, yun po yung my accounts. So, yun po yung mga ways para i-withdraw po natin yung mga earnings natin sa account balance natin. Now, we go to the coin account. Ito naman yung coin account natin, which is kanina na-escrow ko, nag-down yung system natin, ay yung internet natin. So, I have free DAG coins here kaninang 1.63. Then, what I do is, tinype ko yung 1.63 dito sa escrow coins. And then, you need to click escrow coins. And then, hihingi po siya ng confirmation password. After nyo po matype ng password, okay, and after escrow coins, after clicking that, makukompound na po siya. Okay? Ito po, kumbaga makukumpon na, mapupunta na siya rito. Compounding siya. Okay? Gaya ng sinabi ko po, in-explain po natin sa presentation, na you have to compound or pwede mo namang ibenta, pero mas maganda po i-compound nyo para after 8 months, yung 100 Dogecoin nyo is maging approximately to 281 Dogecoin. Pero ito, nakikita nyo, 170 kagad because I have referrals, I have a volume bonus na then kumbaga nagkaroon ako ng 35% na ano doon, na trading account kasi 35% goes to the trading account, yung 65% goes to the cash account na pwede nating withdraw. That's why nakabili po ako ng mga mura. Okay? So mas maganda po yung trading account ninyo. Okay? Use it to buy Dogecoin habang mura pa po. Okay? So, ito naman po yung mga transaction. Ito yung mga transaction ko. Escrow, tsaka nag-purchase ako ng Dogecoin. Now, this is a trading account. Sabi ko po kanina, mapupunta po dito yung 35% na earnings nyo po, 35%, which you can use to buy Dogecoin. So, paano naman bibili ng Dogecoins? Assuming ito, meron kang trading account dito na 11.85 or whatever amount it is. So, pupunta ka po sa exchange, okay? Ayan po, makikita mo po dito, okay, buy. So, ito, nagbebenta siya ng 1,000 Dogecoins na ang presyo is 1,000 Dogecoins. So, maaring ayaw niyang ibenta kasi ang total na babayaran mo is $1 million. Okay, so kung ibabay mo yan, syempre, di ba? Okay, so technique lang siguro niya. So, scroll down, makikita mo naman po dito yung mga mabababang which is makikita mo rin dito yung mga mabababa na pwede mong bilhin. Okay, compared dun sa trading account na meron ka. Okay, makikita mo po dito. Alright, so punta tayo sa number 4, baka dito may mga mabababa. Okay, ayan, $5, 2.22 binibenta niya. Kung meron kang 11.10, makakabili ka ng 2.22 Dogecoin and then buy. Mas maganda nga, i-buy mo yan. Why? Okay, sige. I-buy natin to kasi I have 11.85, di ba? 11.85. So I have to buy this kasi, di ba, after 8 months, pwede maging $100, $900 yung Dogecoin natin. So ito, pwede kong bilhin siya. So I have to click buy. Click natin yung buy. And then confirmation password, type lang natin. Okay, and then if trading account has insufficient funds, then deduct the remaining amount from your cash account. If yes, kumbaga kung kulang yan, yung cash account mo kukunin niya. Pero I prefer no. Okay, and then click buy. So makikita mo, so yung pre-Dogecoins ko, 170 kanina. So tingnan natin kung madadagdagan siya. So we click buy, bibili ako ng Dogecoin. Okay? Then, purchase was successful. Okay, successful. So, bumili ako. Ibig sabihin, kung pupuntahan ko ngayon yung aking my accounts, okay, makikita mo yung coin natin. So, kanina, 170 siya kanina. Ayun, 173 na. Ibig sabihin, nagdagdagan na naman yung coins ko. Okay? So, yun yung trading account. Okay, ibili natin palagi po. Kung may makita po kayong mura doon at kasya po doon sa account nyo, sa balance nyo sa trading account, ibili nyo po ng Dogecoin. Okay, this is my invoices. So makikita nyo lahat ng transaction ng mga invoices here. Yung mga binili kong mga binili kong code na kung saan inactivate ko po yung tatlong invite ko, which is akin na po yung pera. Kumbaga, binursa ko na po, then I activated their accounts. Okay? Then payment information. Okay, ito yung yung payment information, which is kung gusto niyo pong magbayad through the site, kung gusto niyo mag-upgrade, gusto niyo bumili ng codes, okay, you can send your payments through Bitcoin wallet address this. Ito po 'yon. And then after 24 hours, after receiving the email, ma-activate po yung account nyo na in-upgrade nyo or binili nyo yung account. Okay? And then dadali nyo po, babato nyo po dito. Kumbaga, mag-i-email po kayo, i-email nyo sa payments@daguniversity.com yung hash ID at saka kung anong username nyo at saka yung screenshot ng pinagbayaran nyo po. So better po siguro as of now at hindi nyo po alam, you can buy to us codes, okay, to generate your to upgrade your accounts, okay? We can give you codes po, okay? Then on my profile naman, when you click this my profile, sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan ma-verify po yung mga account niyo bago po yung mga earnings niyo ay mapadala po sa mga banks or BTC wallet. Pero sabi ko nga, there are so many ways, okay? You can generate codes and then ibenta mo yung codes dun sa mga invites po natin or mga members natin. Okay? Now, yung username natin, just like this, Guider03, hindi na po may edit yan. Pero yung mga profile po, yung first name, last name, and everything dito is mapapalitan po. Pwede pong edit yung mga yan. That means pwede mo parang ibenta yung account mo. Okay? Na kapag kailangan mo ng pera, pwede mo ibenta. Kung may bibili. Pero for sure, wala namang bibili. Or, yun natin, we never know. Now, payment details naman. Okay, ito yung payment details. Ito po yung payment details mo, which is, syempre, i-fill up mo. Okay? Okay, ayan po. Pwede po sa bank details, perfect money, advance cash. Okay? And then, Dagcoin wallet or Bitcoin wallet. Pwede po ipadala dyan yung mga earnings link po ninyo. Provided na verify po yung account ninyo. Okay, password din, pwede pong palitan, assuming na yung mga app ninyo po yung nag-register po sa inyo, you can change the password para at least kayo na po yung may command dun sa account po ninyo. Okay? And then, you can change yung ano po, palitan nyo rin po yung email nyo from your upline's email through your own email address. Okay? Then, password again, you can change your password here, the confirmation password. Okay, I suggest na kung ano po yung password nyo, yun na rin po yung confirmation password nyo para hindi po tayo magkalimutan. Okay? So, kung ano yung password mo na i-create mo here, ganun na rin po. I suggest yung confirmation password. Now, verify account. So, dapat po, kailangan yung mga accounts nyo be verified. Okay, you have to provide passport or government IDs and proof of address. Okay, so yan po, para at least, and upload the copy. So, i-upload nyo po rito para ma-verify po. Para at least, yung cash account po nyo is mawi-withdraw na through your own banks or Bitcoin wallet address. But again, I told you before, there are so many ways para cash out po yung ating cash account or earnings here sa Dagcoin. Okay? So, marami pong ways. Okay? Isa po yung pag-generate ng codes and pag-transfer nito sa mga ibang username, sa mga kasama natin na may pera na, pwede po yun. Alright? Now, product packages. Again, you can generate codes here. So, kunyari, meron ka then pwede kang bumili. Then you can generate codes here. Now, makikita mo yung codes, assuming bumili ka nito ng $100 package at meron ka kunyari cash account, okay? O, kunyari, prefer mo 3 dahil meron ka kasing $300 na earnings, so 3. And then, scroll down, then click purchase packages. After ma-purchase mo yan, pupunta ka sa purchase history. Makikita mo na po dito yung mga codes na binili mo. And then, you can share this after na provided na nakapagbayad na po yung new members or new invites po natin. Okay? So, okay, purchase activation. Okay, yung nga. Okay, purchase. And then personal package. This one, ito yung package mo. Makikita mo rito. Then exchange, ito nga po yung internal platform natin. Internal trading platform, which is you can buy Dagcoins using your trading account balance. Okay, you can buy and then you can sell. Pwede ka rin namang mag-sell dito. Okay, so dito, kung magbebenta ka here, okay, parang ito, meron kang price of $1. So, meron kang 600. So, pwede mong ilagay dito kung magkano yung binibenta mo. Kunyari, amount of Dagcoins is meron kang 30 Dagcoin. Magkano yung magkano yung amount? 1. And then, in total, automatically, $30 yung ibabayad sa'yo. So, pag binayaran ka ng 30, merong bumili po nun, just in case na may bumili, doon po, magre-reflect na po doon sa cash account balance mo yun, which is you can withdraw or using ways to withdraw or cash out your cash account balance. Okay? So, yun po. Now, we go to the commissions. Makikita mo here yung mga commissions mo, which is sabi ko po, 35% goes to the trading account na pambili mo ng Dagcoin and 65% of your commission goes to cash account na withdrawable po. Okay? Business volume, this is the pairing bonus, okay? The matching bonus, but we call in Dagcoin as volume bonus. So, nandito po yan, okay? Ito po yung mga pairing bonus natin. Okay? Recognition naman, ito naman yung recognition, okay? We can mabe-benefit po natin to. Okay? Nandito po, mamaya, pag-usapan natin yan, meron po, nandito po sa resources yan. Okay? Now, news, siyempre, nandito yung mga news about the Dagcoin and yung mga updates. Resources. So, these are the videos. So, pwede nyo pong i-download to or i-copy or i-share po natin doon sa mga sa mga Facebook account natin and social medias. Okay, downloads here. So, ito yung compensation plan. Makikita nyo here. Okay, makikita nyo yung compensation plan. Okay, so ito pwede nyo rin pong i-review or maaari nyo pong paikliin na lang, i-simplify nyo po. I-simplify nyo po, pwede po yon. Okay, so ito yung plan natin, compensation plan. So yan, meron tayong basic course which is the $20, starter course which is 100, explorer that is 500, advanced course 1,000, expert is 2,500, pro course is that 5,000, mentor course is that $12,500, and investor course is $25,000. Okay, So, nandito yung earnings natin. So, passive weekly rewards. So, pwede ka palang kumita rito ng 3% doon sa Dagcoin mo kahit wala kang ginagawa, kahit wala kang invite. Direct sales bonus, this is your direct referral bonus, which is 10%. The volume bonus, again, 10%. And leadership bonus, 5% leadership bonus. And recognition rewards. Ito yung mga recognition rewards na pag na-hit nyo po itong requirement for DAG Junior Manager, DAG Manager, and so on and so forth, is may reward po ito. Okay, the reward goes this. So, asan ba yung rewards dito? Okay, baba na natin. Okay. Asan ba yung reward bonus here? Para at least makita natin. Ipakita ko po natin sa inyo. Okay, may yung reward bonus here, so may mga relo, may kotse, may iPad. Okay, meron din po yung kumbaga merong free ticket goes to regional events. Kumbaga yung mga pupuntahan natin around the Philippines, pwede po kayo makasama doon free. Okay, and then global, meron po tayong global ticket which is mahit nyo lang po yung mga requirement. Okay, there's a requirement here. You can scroll down here, i-check nyo po dito kung ano yung mga requirement. Just like this, okay? Kailangan may 50,000 volume ka on the weaker side para makuha mo yung iPad mini. Okay, so yan po yan, iPad mini plus cellular phone and one global event ticket. Ibig sabihin, kung meron sa Hong Kong, Malaysia, or any Asia event, so pwede po kayo pumunta doon, provided na ma-hit nyo po yung requirement ni Dagcoin, which is 50,000 volume on the weaker side. Okay, so marami po yan. Scroll down lang natin later yan kapag ano po, explore na lang po natin. Alright? So, again, pag may mga problema kayo, may mga support, meron po tayong support here, which you can email. Okay, you can select the category kung ano man yun or others, something like that, and then send po natin message sa kanila. Okay, that is the navigation. Okay, yan po yung navigation for our dashboard. Hopefully, nakatulong po to. Again, this is Guider Alan Ramos saying goodbye. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Dagcoin it is. Thank you.